What is your name?
My name is Kei Aulia Pambudi and people usually call me Kei.
What are your hobbies?
I was born in Jakarta, specifically in East Jakarta, and what makes Jakarta special is the abundance of tall buildings.
What are the main branches of accounting?
My hobby is playing basketball, and I think I like to explore outside world.
Do you know what is accounting?
Before, I was much into reading books, and my favorite movie was Harry Potter. Lately, I rarely watch TV show.
What motivates or inspires you the most in life?
Perhaps I take pride in one of my talents, which is being good at playing game and adept at problem solving.
Where were you born? And what's special about your hometown?
What motivates me is Bernard Arnault. He's a French billionaire and the chairman, CEO of LVMH, the world's largest luxury goods company. Arnault's notable contribution to the fashion and luxury industry make him a sort of inspiration, overseeing a vast portfolio of British brands.
What is your favorite book, movies, or TV show?
I indeed have a goal, which is to become someone with substantial success and be an entrepreneur. However, before pursuing the target, I strive to improve myself into a good and value-driven individual.
Is there a particular skill or talent you're proud of?
Yes, counting is the systematic process of recording, analyzing, and summarizing financial transactions of a business or organization. It involves the preparation of financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. The goal of accounting is to provide accurate and comprehensive financial information to aid decision-making, financial analysis, and ensure compliance with regulatory standards.
Are there any personal goals or dreams you're actively pursuing?
The main branch of accounting are financial accounting, which is focused on creating financial statements and assessing the financial position of an entity, and management accounting, which is oriented toward providing internal decision-making information and planning.
What is a balance of sheet?
The basic principles of accounting include 1. Revenue recognition principle. Recognize revenue when it's earned and reasonably curtailed. 2. Matching principle. Match expense to the revenue they help generate during the accounting period. 3. Historical cost principle. Record assets at their original cost. 4. Consistency principle. Use consistent accounting method from one period to the next. 5. Conservatism principle. Be conservative in recording transactions, recognizing losses sooner than gains. 6. Materiality principle. Only record transactions that are significant or material. 7. Going concern principle. Assume that the entity will continue to operate indefinitely. 8. Objectivity principle. Strive for objectivity and avoid personal bias when recording transactions. This principle forms the foundation for accurate and reliable financial reporting in the field of accounting. Thank you.
What is the role of an auditor in accounting?
The purpose of double entry accounting is to provide a complete and accurate recording of financial transactions for a business. In this system, every transaction has equal and opposite effect on at least two accounts, ensuring that the accounting equation asset is liabilities plus equity always remain balanced. This approach helps in 1. Accuracy, 2. Completeness, 3. Analysis, 4. Financial reporting. Double entry accounting is a fundamental principle that enhances the reliability and integrity of financial information for decision making and external reporting purpose.
What are the basic principles about accounting?
In accounting, debit and credit refer to entries made on the left and right side of an account, respectively. A debit increases asset and expense account but decreases liability and equity account. Conversely, a credit increases liability and equity accounts but decreases asset and expense account. This is a fundamental concept in double entry bookkeeping to maintain the balance of the accounting equation.
What is the purpose of double entry accounting?
Balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. It consists of three main sections: asset, liabilities, and equity. The balance sheet follows the accounting equation. Asset is liability plus equity. It reflects what a company owes, and the residual interest of the owners. This statement is crucial for assessing a company's financial health and solvency.
What is the purpose of the statements of the cash flow?
The purpose of the statement of cash flow is to provide a summary of a company cash inflow and outflows during a specific period. It categorizes these cash activities into three main sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. This statement helps stakeholders, including investor and creditor, understand how a company generates and uses cash. By analyzing the statement of cash flow, one can assess the company's ability to generate future cash flow, its liquidity, and the source and use of cash related to its business, operation, investment, and financing. It complements other financial statements such as the income statement and balance sheet, providing a comprehensive view of a company's financial performance and cash management.
What is the difference between a debit and a credit in accounting?
An auditor plays a crucial role in accounting by independently examining and verifying a company's financial statement to ensure accuracy and compliance with accounting standards. The primary roles of an auditor include: 1. Financial statement verification, 2. Compliance assurance, 3. Internal control evaluation, 4. Risk assessment, 5. Audit report, and 6. Stakeholder confidence. Overall, auditors contribute to the integrity and reliability of financial information, supporting informed decision making by both internal and external users of financial statements.